a very quick information like hello, a big high five to all of you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. This is Ishita and today we are gonna go for a trip, but it's a different kind of a trip because it's not a sea beach. So we are going to Guanajuato and we will be going through Leon. So here we have taken a halt for 1 hour in Leon because these two places are really remarkable and the central area is wonderful. So I'm gonna show you the entire place. Just look at the beautiful interior architecture. The inside ambience was so peaceful, it is completely inexplicable. This church is recognized as Expiatorio Church. It is situated in Leon, Mexico. Expiatorio is a temple dedicated to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. It was established on 1921 on March 28th in the style of New Gothic. While visiting Leon, people always visit this particular church due to its beautiful Gothic architecture. The outside area is vast, where a lot of people come and take photo sessions, they take some rest. It's a kind of a tourism information center where you can take some information and take guidance from them if you want how to visit this particular city. Now this is Guanajuato, which is our final destination. This is a beautiful castle which was right in front of our residence. So guys, it's 5:30 o'clock and we are going to Pipila right now. Okay guys, so right now it's 8 o'clock and we are standing in Pipila. It's a kind of a center of Guanajuato where you can see the entire view of the city. So we are standing in the top of the mountain and we are gonna show you the entire top view. So let's have a look. So guys, basically this is a mall area, and as you can see, a lot of shops are there. So if you wanna buy something or you are hungry and wanna have some food, so you can get all the options over here. So I'm just gonna cover the entire area. Let's have a look. And wanna give you a very quick information, like you really don't have any kind of parking area to park your car over here, so you will have to keep your car on the road. It's a very big and scary tunnel. The use of tunnel in Guanajuato is very frequent because it's a very small and congested city. Guys, right now it's 10 o'clock and we have come to Centro to see the night view. So the night view of the Centro area is like awesome. This is the night ambience of Guanajuato Centro. It's full of colors and crowds. It was a complete musical evening. It was amazing. Okay, so right behind me, this is Juarez Theatre. Teatro Juarez de Guanajuato. It's a historic theatre dating from the late 19th century. This particular hall follows the model of European halls and it is made in the Oriental style. And this is the street of Centro where we were just walking around. That's how we ended up our day. We just purchased some of the street food and we came back to our residence. Alright guys, so I think that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have shared some of the photos of Guanajuato. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a lovely days ahead.